Kodiak Keen Rechargeable Work Light is a compact, cost-effective lighting tool, not only equipped with a myriad of modes to fit all lighting needs, but also comes built in with snappy ways of keeping it on you. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Keen Rechargeable Work Light along with a USB-C charging cable. Make sure to give the Keen a full charge before first use, as a red light should indicate that charging is in progress. It takes roughly 2 hours to charge the Keen to 100%. Designed with portability in mind, the Kodiak Keen features a compact, pocket-sized form factor that makes it easy to carry throughout the day without adding unnecessary bulk. Weighing in at 1.3 ounces, the Keen has an IPX3 weather resistance rating and is impact resistant. An integrated metal pocket clip allows for convenient carry and positioning on clothing or gear while in work light mode, while the built-in magnetic base enables secure attachment to metal surfaces for hands-free operation when working. The Keen is designed to function in multiple orientations, all of which is controlled with a single button. Hold the button to switch between flashlight and work light modes. Then do single button presses to toggle between modes, including off. In work light mode, you can double-click the single button to activate turbo mode, 650 lumens with a beam distance of 30 meters and 30-second runtime. Through single button presses, you can toggle through high, medium, and low, respectively, which all expand on the runtime exponentially at the expense of lumens and beam distance. The final work light mode is a UV ray with a 5-hour runtime. When switched over to flashlight mode, you start on high with 260 lumens, 1.8-hour runtime, and 15-meter beam distance. Low mode continues the trend of sacrificing beam distance and lumens for a stronger battery life, while double-clicking the button activates a strobe utilizing the high mode stats. To deactivate, one would simply press the button again.